Good morning, students. Today I am going to start General Science Chapter 7. So, in previous class, I had discussed hydrotropism. So, once again, we remember the roots of the plants move towards the sight of water in searching of water. So, this type of movement of the root is called hydrotropism. We see the root always moves in the directions of the water where it is present abundantly. Now we know chemotropism. Chemotropism is the growth of pollen tubes towards ovule. What is chemotropism? Chemotropism is the growth of pollen tubes towards ovule. Now we know about the various types of plant hormones. So first is auxins. What is auxins? Auxins is one type of plant hormones, and these auxins help the cells to grow longer. It also helps in the phototropic movements of plants. Now next I have gibberellins. This one is the another plant hormones. This helps in the growth of a stem. Next is cytokinins. The cytokinins promotes cell division. It also helps in greater concentration of fruits and seeds. And the next is abscisic acid. This abscisic acid inhibits growth and cause wilting of leaves. Wilting of leaves means due to which leaves may detach from the stem of the plant. Now we come to study about human endocrine systems which secretes hormones. So human endocrine systems are different. Here I have hormones in animals. Hormones in animals are secreted by endocrine glands. The different endocrine glands in human body are: first is hypothalamus, next is pituitary gland, next thyroid gland, again parathyroid gland, next adrenal gland and pancreas gland, testis and ovary glands. So these are the glands present in the human body. Now we see here hypothalamus gland. Hypothalamus gland secretes releasing hormones and growth inhibiting hormones. And function of these hormones is it regulates secretion of pituitary hormones. After this, pituitary gland. This pituitary gland secretes growth hormones, and growth hormones controls growth dwarfism and gigantism. So due to this hormones, neither people can grow in dwarf nor can grow like gigantic demon body. Now next, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine, which regulate basal metabolic rate, RBC formation. And thyroid gland also secrete triiodothyronine and thyrocalcitonin. This regulates calcium level in the body. Thyroid gland also secrete adrenal gland. This one secretes thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Now next we know about adrenal gland. Adrenal gland secretes adrenaline, noradrenaline and corticoids. The functions of these hormones: they increase alertness, sweating in the body and heartbeat. Now next we study about the pancreas. Pancreas is also one endocrine gland. It secretes insulin, and insulin regulates glucose. Now pancreas also secretes glucagon. This glucagon maintains glucose level and stimulates glyconeogenesis. So this is the functions of the hormones secreted by pancreas. Now we know about the hormones secreted by testes. Testis endocrine gland is found in male. Testosterone hormones and androgens hormones are secreted by testes. And the functions of these hormones promote secondary sexual character in male. Mustache coming, beard coming, more changes in the puberty ages. This one comes due to testis hormones. Now next is ovary. Ovary is found in the female body. This ovary secretes estrogen and progesterone. These functions are: it promotes in development of secondary sexual characters in female and support pregnancy. So these are the functions of the hormones secreted by endocrine glands. This much today. Thank you for watching the video.